Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to the last of this month's delivery of the Batman Tumbler, issue 34. We are dealing with some more electronics in this one. After looking at the pop icon, yeah, that's the one I remember from the TV show, 1966. I don't remember it in 1966, but I am aware of it from reruns and things after that. Bat Assassin, I don't know. I thought it famously didn't kill people, but I'm sure it did. There we go, that's all of that. Then we've got the instructions. Yes, the main circuit board with LED cables and things as well. LED motor cable and stuff. Another light, another different type of light. I like the variety. It's all cool. So we're plugging some more cables together and then plugging some into the board itself. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Let's clear it out of the way. Oh, next time, yeah, connecting cables, LEDs and switches again. So more things to plug in next time. So let's get this done. Yeah, quite a lot in this one. We've got the circuit, which has obviously got lots of connections around the outside for things. Capacitor, lots of chips on it as well. Interesting stuff. For now, we're not using that. What we are doing are plugging some cables together like last time. We've got 15, 16, 17. And these two extra LED things are indeed 16 and 17. That one is 17. Let's plug that one into there. Like that. This one should therefore be 16. It is. That one goes in there. So that's that. We've got another LED array, reminiscent of the R2 dome lights, that one. This one is 19. And on here we've got 19 and 18. So am I plugging those two together? I am. I'm plugging 19 and 19 together. Like so. I don't know why they couldn't have just made that a little bit longer. Maybe we need to unplug it and do things with it. So, are these labelled just as well? They are. They've done me proud. They do have numbers on here. Not in order. 17, 18, 20, 33. So we're plugging 18 into 18. Again, make sure you get it the right way up. This one is the other way up to all the others. So that one goes in there. Nice and easy. Then it says position your assembly. We need the 17 and whatever that we've just done. This one. This is 15. And 15 is on a corner over here. Yep, 15 is down there. So we'll plug that one in there. Like that. That gives us things coming off either side of that. Hold the 15, plug it in, making sure it snaps into place. It has indeed. And that is that for this part of the build. I'm sure. What have we got here? One. What other numbers have I got around? I've got lots of other numbers on there, but I won't plug them in yet. I'll plug them in when we're told to. But for now, that is that. I shall put this aside for later. While we've got obviously lots of switches and lights and stuff that we're going to be plugging in at some point in the near future when the next pack arrives. So for now, that will do me. Screwdriver away. I'll get tidied up and we'll be done. So thank you very much for watching. See you next month for more, and I shall see you soon for other things. Bye bye for now.